Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's Vlogtober day 15. And so recently we wanted to take Sky to see Elemental, and honestly when she seen it in theaters it literally like caught her eye. So instead of us like going, we actually forgot. Realized it just came out on Disney Plus like a week or two ago or whatever. So we are going to be doing a movie night. Let me show you guys what I have in store for the kiddos today. Okay, so I bought these popcorn containers. These are popcorn tubs. That's what they call them on the thing. So I bought these popcorn tubs. I have 4 of them from Dollar Tree. I think that 2 of them came in a pack together. And that was the great thing, $1.25 for both, so clearly just $2.50. I did go ahead and pull out some popcorn and some applesauce pouches, as well as a apple juice by Juicy Juice and then a grape juice by Juicy Juice. I am putting these together for the kiddos when they get home today, so that they could have just something quick and easy for when having popcorn tonight. So they have a container for their drinks. They also have a container for their popcorn, and along with their applesauces. So strawberry applesauce, regular applesauce. This is just movie theater butter popcorn, and then the drinks.
Mommy, I want it.
I also was able to throw in some Paw Patrol fruit snacks in the back and call it a day. Okay, so it is so hot outside that I do not feel like fixing anything. I'm gonna get ready to order Domino's for us to do for pizza night. I'm sorry, for movie night. And so I'll show you guys what pizza and stuff I get, but I'm gonna get ready to order Domino's. And we'll start movie night around 6:30 or 7. Alright, so it'll be here in 26 minutes, which means it'll be around 6:30.
Like living my leg, and it was just that. It's just butter.
Where's your... Hey, so I'm fresh out the shower. Movie night and pizza night was a success. The kids loved the movie Elemental. I loved it too. I found it really cute, and the kid, well, Sky, at the end found it really cute to talk like how they, yeah, I'll let you guys figure that out, but she thought it was really cute at the end, just because of like the love scene. Not ready for her to really get into that stage yet, but anyways, everybody ate a good amount of pizza tonight. We all enjoyed the movie, and I honestly, on a rating scale of like 1 to 10, I would give it definitely a 10, especially like for kids, because it is something that can keep the kids entertained. So I'm gonna get ready to scroll around on Pinterest, and yeah, I'll catch you guys. And I'll catch you guys for tomorrow's video, Vlogtober day 16.